Hi everyone, my name is Anahita Hushangi and I'm from Baysen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what fiber optics are and how we splice them. I hope you enjoy this tutorial.
So the CEO of Baysen, Mr. Pasihuri, invited me to his garage where they have been working on welding fiber cables for a project that you will hear about very soon. But let's first check out what fiber cables are. A fiber cable, also known as optical fiber cable, is very similar to an electrical cable. However, each fiber cable contains one or more optical fibers, such as the one in my hand, and these optical fibers carry light. So the optical fiber elements are usually individually coated with plastic and silicone layers, and it's contained in a protective tube. These fibers are used for different applications. For example, long-distance telecommunication or even providing high-speed data connection. There are many advantages of fiber optic cables over copper cables, but let's go through a few of them. So, fiber optic cables means greater bandwidth, whereas copper cables were originally designed for voice transmission and have a limited bandwidth. Fiber optic cables also mean faster speeds, and they also have a core that carries light to transmit data. With these cables, it provides also longer distances, and it has better reliability, and it's thinner and sturdier. Now that you know what fiber cables are, let me show you what splicing fiber optic cable means and how the process works. This is where things get interesting and fun. Fiber optic splicing is the process of joining two or more fibers together. This means that splicing fibers is commonly used to rejoin fiber optics that were basically broken, or they are meant to be fused together to create a fiber that is long enough for a required cable run. As you can see, I'm prepping a fiber. This means that I have to cut the protective plastic layer that there is over the fiber, remove it, and then scrape the silicone off the fiber and then wipe it off. In order to do this, you need to prep your fibers and also you need a splicing machine. Once the thinner fiber is cut accurately, it is placed into the splicing machine. And from one end, you place the thinner fiber, and then from the other end, you place a thicker fiber that you want to fuse with a thinner fiber. But remember, before fusing these two together, you need a protective plastic layer. Once that is through, then you place the fiber into the machine, and the machine tells you whether they are close enough to be fused together. Once the fibers are fused together, you can place the protective plastic layer over these two fibers, and then insert the fiber into the oven, which is on the upper part of the device. Now you can close the oven. This heats the plastic layer over the fibers and protects it from breaking. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and stay tuned. Remember to click on the subscribe button, especially if you want to see what we do with these fiber cables.